Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna dive deep into Startup Lecture 3. But before that I have two news for you. One is good and one is bad. The good news is I was able to fix my tripod. And the bad news is only 3% of the people watching this video are actually serious about getting into top universities or implementing AI to improve our future. So that's very bad news, right? So anyways, I'm pretty tired after school, so let's just dive right in. Okay, we already saw the jobs until the jobs to the CEO, and now we're diving into focus. I better handle my tripod with maximum care so that I don't break it. So first of all, what's your first focus? What are you spending time and money on? First of all, what are you spending time and money on? So this is the first focus. What are you spending time and money on? So what are the 2 to 3 things that are the most important? What are the 2 to 3 things that are the most important? Okay, now the 2 to 3 things can be raising money or maintaining the balance of the company or hiring or firing good staff and bad staff respectively. So those could be the most important things. Those are common, but according to your company it may vary. So the third one is say no a lot, actually, because just say no a lot. You should focus on saying no. Actually, this might sound like a joke, but when you say yes to everything, your workers and co-founders are going to take advantage on you, and they're going to go better in business than you, and they're going to fall down. So the fourth one, set very high goals. Set overarching goals. Overarching. That is very high goals that cover the whole company like an umbrella, and repeat that. Yes. That cover the whole company like an umbrella. And repeat it. Okay, fine. So these goals are like, for example, if you're in the AI field, it can be improvising your AI and launching your 2.0 version, or maybe maintaining or raising the money, but it should cover the whole company like an umbrella. So that's the main motto of this point. Okay, 5. Communicate. Now this is a very important point. This is very important. Okay, because you have to communicate to your customers, your workers, and your co-founders, so that your company has the best touch with at least the users, so that you can develop your business by, when you call the users all of a sudden, why should they even come? If you have a better touch and you have communication skills and you're better at it, you're the best at it, then the users may think to come to you. 6. maintain growth and momentum. Okay, this is even you know this. So you've got to maintain growth and momentum of your company, and then work together in person. This is also important. Not this much important, but definitely important. Work together in person. Now this is a little like this because you just gotta work with your co-founders and your workers so that you get the best. The best touch so that you can build things together rather than developing a problem that you decide to solve it yourself and you struggle later. So no one likes regretting later, right? So when I erase this. Just a minute, guys. Sorry about that. I'm extremely sorry about that. Okay, so we're gonna see about the intensity of your company. Intensity. Okay. Your company should be really intense on relentless operating rhythm. Relentless operating rhythm. So and then obsession with execution quality. I'm not talking exactly about your company. That is all the people in your company. That is workers, co-founders, and including yourself. Obsession with execution quality. Obsession with execution quality. And the third one is bias towards action. Okay, now this is checking every probability when you take an action, including failures and also success. Okay, so there's this. I hope the video is clear, guys. So let me just move on. Okay, co-founders and workers should be like every time we talk to them, they have gotten new things done. So it's just like they have to be productive always. So again, let's come back to intensity actually. Intensity, the first one. Now this is a different type of intensity. It's about your work. about your work and yourself, like your personal actual uh, stuff you add into your company. Okay, quick. Uh, Actually, whatever you do should be really, really quick, and you should make decisions so fast. That's why you don't have much personal time when you're doing this business. But you must have time after 1 or 2 years if you do the maximum execution. Okay, do whatever it takes. This is an Imagine Dragons song, yeah. So do whatever it takes. I mean, you're gonna sacrifice anything. I mean, just your time, okay? You're gonna do your best to do it. So show up. If you show up in the company, then only your staff and everyone will know how dedicated you are for the company. So also don't give up. Let's say your company is crashing and your finances lowering, then you shouldn't give up. You should still, what you can do is actually raise the alarm buttons and do many things from your side instead of just giving up and just selling the company to someone else. So no one wants to do that, right? So when you take any action, you should be courageous. Just like Superman. Okay? Really, really courageous. And also do one thing. This is not about intensity. Make sure that the company constantly grows. And if nothing is working, sales fix everything. Okay, let's say your alarm button is already done, and whatever you do on your side, you did. You still don't want to give up. And then comes a hero, just like Batman. Sales. Okay, sales fix everything, literally. Okay, it fixes everything. So, well, that's it for today, guys. We have a few more points to cover tomorrow, but tomorrow I won't be doing this startup playlist because other some people don't want to take business, but they want to take Python, IMO, and AP and those stuff. So I have to give them the videos too, right? So tomorrow I'll be providing an IMO video, okay? IMO video on the next topic. So let's just rock out. Bye. See you tomorrow.